Hey, I'm Greg.
I'm Felicia.
And we are SCT Adventures. And today we're coming to you with a different concept of a video. Today's video is about how to enhance your cruise experience. Just one way we thought of. I was thinking the other day about, we've got a cruise coming up here actually really soon, within the next few days, on the Carnival Freedom. And this is a video that I don't see a lot of people talking about, but if you haven't joined the Facebook group for your upcoming cruise, it's a way to really connect with the people that are going to be on your cruise, to see what events are coming up. Just a nice way to make your cruise experience that much better.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to talk about that a little bit. So there's a couple ways to do this. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button. You're pointing to it? It's up here somewhere. Click that and click the notification bell. We really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's free, and I guarantee free. And I guarantee you'll get your money's worth. But anyway, but yeah, click that if you will, and it's there. So anyway, talking about Facebook groups and how they can relate to your upcoming cruise. Now, there's two different categories of Facebook groups we're going to talk about. The first thing we want to talk about in regards to Facebook groups for your upcoming cruise is most ships, and this pretty much goes for all the cruise lines. If you go search in the group section of Facebook, you're going to see the cruise line and the cruise ship that you may be going on, whether it be Carnival, MSC, Royal Caribbean, whatever it is. Just search for it. Our good friend Lisa has she mods or is an administrator for the Carnival Sunshine out of Charleston. It's a large group. There's a lot of information on there. If you're a first-time cruiser on the Sunshine, it's a great place to start if you're looking for information on that particular ship. But all those ships, they have Facebook groups, and it's a way to find out if you want to find out parking at the port, if you want to find out what the menus are currently like, if you want to just find out what the previous cruise was like. There's just great information.
It's sharing of information.
Absolutely. So connect. Just be mindful. There are rules. Check the rules section. Be very courteous when you're in there. Be respectful, because they have a lot of people. That group had thousands, like 17,000 or more members to it, and so they keep a pretty tight rein on it, as they should, to protect everybody's privacy and what have you. So just when you join those groups, answer some questions and be mindful of that. The next thing we're going to talk about is cruise itinerary specific Facebook groups. And that's the first thing we do when we book a cruise, or one of the first things we do is we go out and we search, hey, is there a Facebook group for the cruise that we've got coming up? And like the one we're on here in just a few days on the Carnival Freedom, we joined that group, and we're actually participating in a few events. Your individual itinerary Facebook groups, they have things like gift exchange, slot pools, bar crawls, meetups. I think I already said that, did I?
Yeah.
Did I?
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens when you start getting old. But yeah, but all these different events, and sometimes, maybe there's not one on there. You can suggest it to the admin, and maybe they'll say, hey, yeah, you take that over and run with it. But whatever, there's all these type of events. Now, we'll tell you this: if you don't have the internet package or the Wi-Fi package, you need to write all this stuff down before you get on. Before you get on the ship, because we've made that mistake before, where we get on the ship and we're like, what time was that? What was that? And so we miss some of the events. But these are great ways to connect with people, make new friends on the ships, and just have a great time with your upcoming cruise. Like I said, wasn't going to be a long video, but if you haven't joined Facebook groups for your upcoming cruise, it's a neat way to enhance your upcoming cruise experience. So drop a comment down below if you've had a good experience joining Facebook groups. If you've met friends on a cruise that have been lifelong friends. I haven't let you say a word.
That's always fun.
She didn't want to say a whole lot in this video. But anyway, drop below. If you've got other ideas that can help future cruisers, leave that in the comment section below. But anyway, as we said earlier, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And there's a dog down there that we're not polished. We try to tell you that all the time. But anyway, we appreciate you for following along with SCT Adventures with Felicia and Greg, and whoever else we can rope into this crazy adventure. We'll see you next time.
Bye.